here at Robinson. Look at the place, guys. It's Christmas. Christmas is coming to town. Guys, and I'm here again.
Ay! Psst! Hoy, bad yun ha?
Gago! Guys, kakain muna tayo tapos magmanawag, te. Oo nga. Bakit?
Ang hinatid pa namin si Ronel na lalaki.
Saan? Sa pinatulan ko yung
Offer niya. Hi guys, we're here in Robinson's Pangasinan. And we're gonna share in Wang Inasal. As a vlogger.
Oh my God, this one is 2022. Wala pa rin basa. Wala pa rin LCD.
Si ate ko nakaano. Hindi ko kasalanan, te, binigay lang po.
Ay, bigay lang.
Di, anong gagawin ko? Di ba makikita sa general?
Yung
2 hours later.
Alright. What are we gonna do? We're gonna buy some
Tempered.
and some tempered glass for all. Guys, we're here at second floor. That's the food court.
Yeah, the lighting here is very nice.
Where's the CDR King?
Uy, octagon na siya ngayon.
Ano yung octagon?
Octagon, same lang din doon eh.
Oh. So, ayan, guys. Actually, we're waiting for Irish, but
Hello! A day in our life as an tambay in Philippines. Yes. Say hi guys! Napaka-ano nyo no? Ang lively nila talaga guys!
guys, this is my first time driving in the Philippines, better than Billie Jean.
We are going to Manawag, Pangasinan, and we're gonna bring you with me. With us. With me. Ako lang.
Kulang ako, hindi lang araw, hindi lang buwan, yan taon. Makakaya ko ba yun? Sabi ko, hindi ko kaya. Kapag wala ka, nandito sa akin, mabigan yun, di na mapigil ang buha. Gusto kitang makapiling, mayakap, mahalikan yun, hindi mo pa makuha. Dahil ilang kilometro at linya ang ating distansya at ating pagitan. Pag-uulila ko sa iyo, yan ang resulta ng aking bigla ang paglisan. Di ito madali para sa iyo, ulit mas hindi madali.
3 hours later.
Hi guys, we're in Manawag.
Bakit sarado? Bakit malayo guys?
Malayo ang aming iikutin. Hindi, meron dyan entrance. Diba guys? Diba? Kung hindi ka nagpapakita lagi.
Hi, mysterious person.
Okay.
Wow. Very mysterious.
Guys,
I like that one.
Ay, parang may bibili eh.
Pero wala akong bahay iwan.
we finally found the entrance, guys. Guys, it's so mainit. Look. Huh? The car. Oh, 130, ano? 100 years? Guys, 100.
100.
Okay. So, we're here. We've just arrived. We've just arrived. Mamaya pa yun, te.
Meron ako nakita kanina.
Yung guys here.
Pwede yung picture.
Guys, here. Maingay sila, guys. Paano natin pipicturean, te?
lang mag-picture ko.
Sa din daw, be.
Sino pwede mag-picture, sir?
Yan yung bar.
Anong guard? Sige, pag ikaw nausong, te. Ano to? Doon ako dun. Yeah. Artistahin. Dito nga, sa harap na ako sa gilid.
Ano yun?
Yung, like, nakabili sa mama ng ano.
Sa gilid, meron sa gilid. Ay, meron din.
Dito na lang.
Dito na lang, mas maganda dito.
Hindi dito, pwede naman din. Pwede,
Ah,
pwede dyan. Open mo lang. Hindi pwede yun.
Mauna kayo, ako yung vlogger. Ay, ko yung videographer. Gogi ko. Meron dito, gaganda.
Ako naman ako.
Pala mukha. Dito, pwede dito. Troublemakers. Say hi, guys.
We've just finished praying. We're just gonna buy rosary.
Come enjoy us. Against the light. Naiwan natin. Ito. Ay, akala ko gusto mo dito. Ito na ba?
Parang saan ba?
Ito yung sa Manawag mismo.
Andito na lang. Dito lang. Ano ba? Bibili siya doon? Alright, guys. It's the flower girl. Guys, Guys, this is our first time, the four of us attending a wedding. I hope soon we attend each other's wedding. Ayan. So guys, it's the flower girls na. And now the bridesmaids. Guys, imagine being your church is here at Manawag. You're so blessed and lucky. There you go, the bridesmaid. The bridesmaid, guys. The bridesmaid with the bridesmaid and the groomsman. There you go. The last bridesmaid.
Hindi kilala ang nakasal.
Guys, we don't actually know the bride and the groom. We've just witnessed this special wedding and now the maid of honor. And now here comes. Oh no, later. No, that's the one. Oh my God, andun na yung bride. Hindi yan nasa car. Pasabog. Guys, hindi. Oh my God, guys. Guys, naiyak na ko sa gilid. Oo nga. Guys, here comes the bride. Ay, no, not that one.
Sino kaya yung una ikakasal sa atin?
And now, the mother of the bride is just walking the aisle. There you go.
Yung photographer, ako yung photographer.
The photographer is there, oh.
Congrats na yan.
Ayan. Oh, guys. Oh. Here comes the bride. She's just walking the aisle now. Here's the mother of the bride. Aww. Aww. Hmm? Aww.
Gusto ko na ikasal dito.
Nakakaya.
Ng
Likod ng Candle Gallery.
Candle Gallery.
Gawawi.
Gallery.
Gawawi. You're the only friend to me.
Guys, mainit na guys.
Is this Our Lady of Manawa?
Yeah.
We have a dream, we have a mission.
A community of Christ disciples. Amen.
3 hours later.
Had a free tupig after we went to ano. Mapipilitan tayo bumili.
Yan, nakikita yung piyang natin. Ako lang. Mahal. Ah, masarap. Masarap ba ito?
Hindi na nakuha mo.
Bibili ka?
Ano, hindi nagbibili? Okay. Ano? 17 pieces for 100
Ano
pesos.
yung banana chip niya?
3 for 100. So, pwede po maka-sorted.
Ano
Pwede
yan?
po dito sa mga makapuno. Ganito po.
Pag
Magkano
walang
ang
hindi alam mga persons, bibili lang naman.
3 for 100?
Yes.
Bili ako. I want banana chips.
Ayan ate. So, ate, gusto namin yung fresh.
Luto po ito.
Yes.
Mainit pa po yan. Kahit kailangan.
Ate, tatlong banana chips.
Mainit pa.
Masarap po kasi ito.
Yung kainin nyo, di ba lalamig din ma'am? Mamaya ito naman sige po.
Thank you po ate.
Ma'am.
17 pieces.
Ako na rin po ito.
Lagay mo na ito dito.
Oh yeah.
Banana.
That's the banana chips guys. It's 3 for 100 pesos. Ay, hala. Yeah, guys, basang-basa na kami sa pawis. Ano siya?
1 eternity later.
Hi guys, we're here in Starbucks right now. Oo, ang daldal ko talaga.
Oh, wow! Nakakanta lang ako, girl.
Ala, ang ganda ng lighting. Dapat nakaganito rin ako para kita rin kayong tatlo. So, hi guys, we're here in Starbucks.
Just very fighters and food.
Yes.
So, number 3. We're just waiting for it to be.
Ano to?
We're just
Ayan.
waiting for it. I can see
Yes, is it? Is it what? Is it what? Hi
Dapat
guys.
itataas. Wala ba yung itataas nito, girl? Hindi, I mean yung this one.
Wala. Ganito lang. Or na ganito
Hindi
lang.
ba siya nag-ano?
Ay, pwede ko bang kunin yung isang upuan?
Tanong mo na, Bex.
Ito na lang, no? Kunin mo na. No, nakakahiya. Guys, nahihiya ang Ayabab na to. Ang babae ng Dagupan City.
Guys, it's our turn.
Guys, na-receive na namin yung drinks and
Kita yung naman, girl.
yes.
Amazing.
Sarap, sarap! Ang sarap, sarap! Ang sarap, sarap!
Nakina kinantahan.
Oh my gosh. It's the best.
Palakpakan natin sila.
Loy and Ronel wants to
Ano? Isang bagsak, dalawang bagsak.
isang bagsak lang.
Isang bagsak para sa Starbucks.
Amen. Perfect.
Isang buksok.
They're really giving.
Bakit
Yeah.
isang bagsak lang?
Starbucks Dagupan is the best.
Yeah.
Ba't isang